This is a review for 2080 aluminum. I used it to build this box, among other things, in this trailer that I set up. This is a smaller aspect of what I used the 2080 aluminum for. It was really easy to connect all this up and build out this box. I really needed something that was going to give me some depth because of this panel. There's a bunch of wires back in here that I needed to have the space. So people use 2020, 2040, 2060, 2080 aluminum for a lot of things. I use it to build this box because everything inside here is made of aluminum, so I wanted to keep it that way. And then I used these little plastic caps on the end to kind of finish off the look so there were no sharp edges along the way. I just used 2 pieces on the sides, 2 pieces on top to build the box. I was able to mount it directly to these other pieces of aluminum to the various connecting options that come with standard T-slot aluminum configurations. This 2080 worked so well for me that I actually used it to build an elevated bed frame for this mattress inside this trailer. You can't see it down there. There's some insulation and then there's an air gap, but I wanted to create an elevated pad so that there was air underneath the mattress and it kept it moisture free. But you can see that I built it basically like a bunkie board, but made out of aluminum, so there is no wood inside here. I used a lot of these corner brackets to make it happen, but overall the process, it took me a little while. It took a lot of cuts and a lot of metal. I purchased a lot of this to do it. There's a center frame that goes through the middle of the mattress that they're connected to, so I was able to do this in a fairly cost-effective manner, buying 2080 aluminum. Overall, it's been awesome. It holds up just fine.